By the end of this video, you will know how to export reports to Excel in Xero. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are in the main dashboard, go to Reporting. This is where Xero stores the financial and business reports available in your account. So this is the starting point for any export. From the reporting area, open the specific report you want to export. Choose the report carefully before moving on, because the Excel file will reflect exactly what is shown in that report. If you need a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or another report type, make sure you open the correct one here. After the report opens, review the settings shown on the page. If needed, adjust the report settings, date range, or any filters that apply to the information you want in the file. This matters because the exported spreadsheet will use the same view you create on screen. If the report is set to the wrong period or filtered in a way you did not intend, that same version will be downloaded. Once your changes are in place, click Update. This refreshes the report so Xero can display the latest version based on the settings you selected. Give it a moment if the report takes a few seconds to reload. Before continuing, look over the report one more time to confirm that the figures and date range match what you want to export. When the report is updated and ready, move to the bottom right corner of the report window and click Export. This opens the export options for that report. If you do not see the correct result after opening the menu, return to the report view and confirm that the report itself has finished refreshing before trying again. In the Export drop-down menu, select Excel. This tells Xero to prepare the report as an Excel file rather than another file type. After you choose Excel, the download should begin automatically in most browsers. Wait while the file downloads to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file appear in your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If your browser shows a download bar or notification, you can use that to open the file once the download finishes. At this point, the report has been transferred from Xero into an Excel format that you can store, review, or work with on your computer. If you need to export a different report later, the same process applies. Go back to Reporting, open the report, update the view if needed, and export it in the same way. Your Xero report is now downloaded as an Excel file on your computer.